Hey there, adventurers! Are you ready to take your travel memories to the next level? If you're dreaming of capturing your Dominican Republic adventure in a way that's as epic as the journey itself, let me introduce you to someone who can take your memories to new heights, both literally and creatively. I'm talking about Billy Benson, Cabaret's certified drone pilot and director of photography. Billy's not just a drone operator, he's a visual storyteller who's passionate about turning your adventures into cinematic masterpieces. Now, you might be wondering, why book a drone session when your phone is already full of travel pics? Sure, selfies and snapshots are fun, but they can't capture the full scale and beauty of your experience. Here's the thing, Billy isn't just flying a drone, he's creating cinematic stories from above, turning your moments into pure movie magic. Imagine your vacation memories, but with the sweeping drama and excitement of a blockbuster film. Imagine soaring over Cabaret's golden beaches, feeling the wind in your hair as the drone captures every breathtaking angle, the turquoise waves rolling underneath, sparkling in the Caribbean sun, or zipping through lush green mountains with you and your friends at the center of it all. These are the kinds of shots that make your adventure feel larger than life. With Billy's certified skills behind the controls, every shot is smooth, breathtaking, and most importantly, safe. You can relax and enjoy the moment, knowing you're in expert hands. What sets Billy apart isn't just the gear or the stunning location, it's his creative vision and technical expertise that make every session unique. It's his eye for storytelling. He knows how to capture the emotion and excitement of your adventure, making every frame count. As a director of photography, he doesn't just point and shoot. He frames, lights, and edits every moment so it feels like your own personal travel film. These aren't just videos, they're memories you'll treasure for years to come. And since Billy lives in Cabaret, he knows all the secret spots, places you'd never find in a guidebook. The perfect time for golden hour, the hidden coves, the angles that make your experience completely one of a kind. He'll help you discover the Dominican Republic from a whole new perspective. Booking with Billy means you get more than a quick aerial video. You get a tailored, professional session that fits your vibe. Whether you want something adventurous, romantic, or just plain fun, he'll make it happen. Planning a proposal on the beach? He'll make sure the moment is as magical on film as it is in real life. Or maybe you just want to look epic jumping into those crystal clear waters? Whatever your dream shot, Billy's got the skills to make it happen. Billy's got you covered, with the know-how to make it unforgettable. He'll even help you plan your session so you get the most out of your experience. Don't settle for ordinary travel memories. Elevate your experience, literally. Let your story unfold from the sky. Billy's certified, insured, and ready to show you Cabaret from a whole new perspective. Safety and professionalism are always his top priorities. So if you're heading to the Dominican Republic, or you're already here and ready to capture your adventure from the sky, reach out and book your session with Billy Benson today. It's easy, and you'll be glad you did. Trust me, your Instagram and your future self will thank you. These are the kinds of memories that only get better with time. Ready to see Cabaret like never before? Let's fly!